Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the update now. Connect to stable Wi-Fi and confirm you have at least 500 MB free storage so the Play Store can download and install. Open the Play Store, tap your profile icon, and go to Settings to see current Play Store info. Once done, make sure Google Play Services is not restricted by data limits. You're taking these steps first to avoid interruptions and ensure the update can complete automatically without repeated retries or partial installs. Now continue by checking Play Store version under Settings About. If an update is available, you'll see an install prompt. Tap to update and allow automatic updates to prevent manual repetition later. If the update requires Google Play Services, grant necessary permissions so background installation can proceed. While it downloads, monitor progress and avoid heavy network use. If the update stalls, restart the Play Store app or reboot the device, then try again. This resolves most mid-process hangs. Finish by confirming the Play Store shows the new version in Settings About. Open the store and test app updates. Once done, make sure automatic updates are configured as you prefer. If things go wrong, clear cache and data for both Play Store and Google Play Services, then reboot the device to reset background processes. One key troubleshooting tip: remove and re-add your Google account if updates still fail. This refreshes credentials and often fixes persistent sync or update errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.